Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about how I consistently make over $600 a day trading futures. It's with an indicator that's made by Trading Secrets and it's called AI Channels. So it's an indicator and not a automated software. As always, trading futures is high risk. If you want to pause the video and read through the full risk disclosure, you can. It's not financial advice and I'm not a licensed professional. I'll start with showing a 1-minute video. It's an example of how it works before I get into specifics. It's going to have an alert noise and a trading signal and enter the trade with a manual ATM.
Order filled.
You can see how I was actually a bit slow on the entry. That's because I was using a wireless headset to listen for the alert and wasn't actually at the computer. This trade does bounce around for a couple minutes, so I did edit it. And there, it's about to go and show how the ATM works.
Stop filled.
So it just missed the threshold to make the stop loss move up again, so it did close for 7 points on this trade. I'm using this on a 250k PA account from Apex. There was a recent sale on 250ks with a lifetime fee of only $80. And so I'm using 2 contracts on the NQ. If you're using a 50k account, you can use same methods but with 1 contract, and then you would make 300 a day, not 600. And these are some screenshots of the next trades that were taken during the same day. You use both a 987 tick chart and a 3-minute chart to get different signals. With this trade, I used a 3-minute entry, as well as this trade was actually on the 987, but the markers lined up. And this trade was on the 987. And one of them is a loss, and that's also factored into the 615 profit. Normally, I would recommend walking away after $600 profit. I do have one more trade from that day, which made it up to actually $900 today, and I was on the 987 tick chart. And now let's talk about why there's 2 different charts. If you use both charts at the same time, they'll 1 or 2 times a day get matching breakout signals, which is in this example here. When they get a matching signal, the trade almost always goes for 20 to 30 points. So if you're using 2 contracts, you only need 1 or 2 trades a day usually. If they stop out for the break even plus 4 points, then you'll need a couple more trades if your goal is to hit $600 a day. And so when you use the charts to line up the breakouts, it has over 90% accuracy. Unfortunately for this video, Apex is having a problem with my Trade8 PA accounts, and they're hidden from the Apex dashboard. So unfortunately, I will not be able to show a week's worth of results during this video, but I will make a follow-up video just to prove it. This is a quick example of when the charts are not lined up, and so taking a signal off one chart would be a bad idea. We have a downtrend on the 3-minute, and we have an uptrend on the 987 tick. So we have a signal for a short on the 987 tick. The channel's in an uptrend, and there's no signal on the 3-minute. So as you can see, if you would have market ordered after the signal right here, it would have been instant reverse into a loss. Also, there are many different signals you can take throughout the day, but to have 90% accuracy, I recommend waiting until they match up, like the previous example. The product from Trading Secrets called the AI Channels is available on WAP. There's 3 different prices. There will be a link in the description below. You can see the price is available at $69 a month. I would recommend getting the $4.99 a year because you save 41%. You basically get you pay for 7 months and get the whole year for free. There's also the one-time payment option. So when you're thinking about the price, just remember that you'll consistently make $300 to $600 a day depending on how many contracts you're using. This, in theory, should get you a payout every 10 days or on Apex if you're using 50K or 250K accounts. So if you're still skeptical, I would say use the monthly, but just remember you're going to get $600 a day using certain setups. So I would get the $500 a year one. And right now, there's a sale on Apex Trader Funding, 80% off, but it also includes a special pricing on large accounts again. I would recommend getting either 250K or 300K. So they're only $50 for the evaluation, then the one-time PA fee of $80. Use the code at checkout, and the link and code will be in the description below.